Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to quicken your metabolism. Building lean muscle mass is a fantastic way to naturally increase your resting metabolic rate, meaning you burn more calories even when you're not exercising. Incorporating protein into your meals also helps, as your body uses more energy to digest it. Don't forget the power of hydration. Drinking enough water supports all your body's metabolic processes. These simple steps can make a big difference. To really get your metabolism humming, consider adding high-intensity interval training, or HIIT, to your routine. These short bursts of intense exercise followed by brief recovery periods can keep your calorie burn elevated for hours afterward. Also, make sure to lift weights 2 to 3 times a week to build that crucial muscle. Eating smaller, more frequent meals throughout the day can also help keep your metabolism consistently active. Beyond diet and exercise, lifestyle choices play a huge role in your metabolic health. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep every night, as insufficient rest can negatively impact your metabolism. Effective stress management is also key. Chronic stress can lead to hormonal imbalances that slow things down. And for a little extra help, consider sipping on green tea, known for its beneficial compounds that can give your metabolism a gentle nudge. Sustaining a healthy metabolism is a long-term game. Avoid overly restrictive diets, as they often signal your body to conserve energy, slowing your metabolism down. Instead, focus on sustainable, balanced eating habits. If you're looking for tailored guidance, consulting a healthcare professional or a registered dietitian can provide personalized advice. Remember to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals to help you on your journey.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.